Hey, what's going on, everybody? We are back on the Backcove 41. As you can see, we've got our mast mounted, we have our cell bullet mounted, we have our two VHF antennas mounted. As we said, we got one for AIS, one for the VHF. Same goes to the GPS antennas. So we've got everything dry fitted up there. We want to make sure everything fits. We hook everything all up before it goes out the door here, so that way when it arrives to the end client, we know that everything works. Another thing that we've installed on this boat that we're starting to see some more of is a camera. We've put a camera, actually, as you can see it right here under the gunnel. Peer under there a little bit, you can see it. So that's going to give us a nice whole portside view. So not only does the customer have the backup camera on the mast with a nice bird's eye view from up there, we've now integrated this view into it as well, making it really easy to have really good situational awareness on your MFDs when you're docking your boat. So speaking of the MFDs, we're going to go inside and see what's going on over there. All right, so inside at the helm, as you can see here, the boys have cut in two 8616s. One of them is an XSV, which means we have the sounder module built into it. We have already installed the transducer down below. We've run the cabling in, and as we showed you guys in a previous episode, if you look down there, that hatch opens up. That's where all our black boxes are going to go. That's going to be a lot of the focus of the work tomorrow, is getting black boxes done and finish plumbing in the autopilot. The autopilot has mostly been installed, but that's a very time consumptive thing between electricity and plumbing. So as you can see, a lot of stuff kind of going on here. And as I tell people, don't necessarily want to come to your boat in the middle of an electronics install. We've got wires hanging around, we've got cabinets out, we've got headliners down. It's a lot to take in, and sometimes when it's your new boat, it's a little overwhelming. It's kind of like walking in the middle of brain surgery. So trust me, when it's done, all this back together, it's going to look right. You're not going to know what happened, and it's going to be all complete. So why don't you give us a follow and stay tuned, because this thing's on the home stretch. We're going to get this all up and going. I'm going to do the software updates and get cameras online and get everything going for you guys and show you guys how all that works. So until next time, peace.